Hello everyone. Welcome back to Best Buy New Invention Gadgets. Today video about Doogee S118 Pro. Doogee has released the Doogee S118 Pro, the latest model in its rugged smartphone line. This new smartphone device, which has a 10,800 mAh battery, has sparked widespread interest. Let's look at the price, specifications, and sales information for the new Doogee S118 Pro rugged smartphone model. Doogee, a leading smartphone brand, has announced the Doogee S118 Pro, a new rugged phone in its line of distinctive smartphones. This new rugged smartphone device can withstand all types of extreme weather conditions. Similarly, this smartphone device is designed to be extremely durable, meeting military-grade standards. The Doogee S118 Pro rugged smartphone is an upgraded version of Doogee's previous model, the S118. The Doogee S118 Pro smartphone features a 6.6-inch FHD Plus display. The display supports a refresh rate of 120 Hz. The Doogee S118 Pro smartphone has a peak brightness of 480 nits. The device is powered by MediaTek's Dimensity 7050 SoC. It features 8 GB of LPDDR5 RAM and 512 GB of storage. It also supports microSD card storage of up to 2 TB. In terms of camera features, the new Doogee S118 Pro smartphone device supports a triple rear camera system that includes a 108MP main camera, an 8MP ultra-wide camera, and a 20MP night vision camera. The Doogee S118 Pro phone features a 32MP front-facing selfie camera. The new Doogee S118 Pro rugged smartphone device has a large battery. This device has a 10,800 mAh battery. This smartphone has the official MIL STD 810H military-grade quality certification. The Doogee S118 Pro rugged mobile device has been IP69K and IP68 certified. It has a very strong design that will not break even if it falls over. Similarly, Doogee claims that this device can operate in extreme cold, extreme heat, and even underwater. The price in Indian currency is 31,172 rupees. It is available for order. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share,